let the demolition begin. Oh, hey y'all. Oh my goodness, today is a big day for me. They are tearing down my walls right now as we speak. And I feel like a complete, I don't know, just all these emotions going on because nervous, excited, afraid, scared, happy, all of that. It's like this emotional roller coaster because this is a significant day and turning point inside the salon journey. And I'm so glad to have you guys here on this progress and experience it with me, especially this transformation. So today is demo day. Let the demo begin. So right now, my emotions, I'm kind of excited. It's like the anticipation of breaking free from our old current space and creating something extraordinary filled with just boundless energy. It's like this modern, inviting space that redefine the client's experience. It just excited me. The prospect of building a better future for our salon was truly, truly exciting. Oh my goodness. But I'm not gonna lie, I did have a dose of nervousness. Y'all know, you're probably like, oh shit, I was nervous. It did settle in. The magnitude of just making this decision and how it could potentially impact our loyal clients, our dedicated staff, it just created a sense of unease, doubts and questions that flooded my mind. Would people understand the need for change? How would they react to this temporary destruction? The weight of responsibility that weighed heavily on my shoulders, causing a flutter of just nervousness. Then I think about, the salon, it holds a lot of memories and stories inside these walls, making demo day bittersweet. It was like the memories, I could just think about something right now and it just washed up over me. I can reflect on the laughter, the tears, the smiles, the transformation that took place within this salon. And it was like a sentimental attachment to our salon history, which made it even challenging to let go. Even though I knew deep down inside that this was a necessary step towards progress. So despite the mixed emotions, a glimpse of like hope and anticipation, the demolition day represented a fresh start, a chance to create this new space that would exceed beyond expectations. It was like witnessing my dreams take place and seeing my vision become reality right in front of me. And being able to provide clients with a better salon experience. So that felt good. And also having a space for my team to be creative and grow. So as demolition began, it was like a sense of relief that washed up over me, knowing I can design this salon any way I wanted to. With each wall that fell, debris that cleared, I felt like renewed, like a sense of accomplishment that we were going in the right direction, making room for something fresh and new. I am filled with deep gratitude. I am thankful for my incredible team members who embrace this journey with dedication and resilience. Thankful for the support and the commitment to being able to share my vision of this new salon. And I appreciate the clients, loyal clients who stood by us throughout this transformation, just trusting us to create a better salon experience. Without you, this journey would not be possible. And lastly, thank you to being able to have this opportunity to embark on this journey of growth and renewal, knowing that the salon future is going to be bigger and better than ever. So I'm ready to say goodbye to the old and welcome in the new. Thank you all for joining me on this exciting chapter of our new salon history. I cannot wait till you guys to see the finished product. Stay tuned for our updates and progress towards our grand opening. The best is yet to come. I'll see you soon.